Here we are again with another haul video. I am Sarah, your socially awkward seller, and I had so much fun shopping yesterday that I decided to do it again today, because why not? So I did buy some really good stuff. Actually, I think I had a better day today than I did yesterday. So let's just hop right into it. I don't normally pick these up. I've seen other resellers pick them up. They are the incontinence briefs. Usually they price these a little, like where it's not really profitable. These sell for about $35 shipped for one package. I got these for $1 today because I think that the Goodwill is trying to get rid of a whole bunch of them. And I didn't go very deep in them because I have not sold these before. So I don't know if I'll try and lot these and sell them locally or if I will sell them on eBay. But I bought 4 of these today. And again, they'll sell for about $35 shipped, but they are very competitive. I did buy some wallpaper border today. I thought this was unique and pretty and different. And I love irises. I can't help myself. It was $1. And I'll probably price that around $14.99, our best offer. Let's see what's in here. I paid $6.50 for this. This is a brand that I'm not familiar with, but it looks like it does pretty well. Sanjean. And this is a World Band receiver. It looks like these sell pretty well for about $60 used. This one does have corrosion in the battery compartment. So if I can't get that out and get this to work, I'll probably sell it for about $25 for parts, and hopefully that will work. And it did not have the cord, so I bought a cord for $1 to go with it. I picked these up at the last place I stopped. These are vintage lightning rollerblades, and they're a men's size 10. I paid $6.99 for those, and I think these will go for about $35 or $40. Let's see if I can. Oh, bought curtain tie bikes for myself for $3, and I bought this for Phoenix for his birthday. I paid $2 for this. This is called the Tickle Monster Laughter Kit, and it's basically a pair of plush gloves and a book. And we love books, and I love to give books. So I'll put that away for his birthday. There's that other shoe. Let's get rid of this box. All right. Let's see. What's in this bag? Let's just see what's in this bag. Picked up this Honeywell thermostat. I paid $3 for it. It looks like this one will go for about $20. And I love it when they have the instructions with them. That one is a used one, but I'll put a battery in it to test and make sure that the LCD and all that works. And then I'll get that listed. I bought 2 lots of stickers. I didn't even open these, but I'm going to peek through them now. These are a lot of Disney. These Care Bear ones are adorable. And I paid $2.50 for each lot. Like I said, there's a lot of Disney in there. A lot of Winnie the Pooh. I know we're not going to go through all of these. I'll look at them later. But I may do some lots of, like, Winnie the Pooh. There's a bunch of dogs. Anyway. But I probably will put these on maybe Etsy. There's some more Care Bear stickers. And I won't get a lot for them, but I will do okay on this bunch of stickers. The other lot that I bought for $2.50, not quite as big, but I'm still okay with that too. Let's see. I didn't buy a ton of stuff. I bought big stuff too. You know, I'm always complaining because I don't have space, and then I buy all this big stuff. I bought this Thomas the Train, and like I've got my hands all over it, yay. Thomas the Train toilet seat for kids because we've got a grandson potty training. I got these for boots, to take pictures of boots. These will be great to stick down the shaft of the boot to get them to stand up. And I paid 50 cents each for those. This is a Starbucks Ohio mug. I didn't look this up, but it's new. And I may keep it. I don't know. I have a Starbucks Ohio mug, but it's not this one. Otherwise, I'll list it. Sandy, what are you doing? He's always trying to get into whatever bag is open. I bought these for 50 cents each. These are rolls of wallpaper border that have skateboards on them, and I will most likely either do a quantity listing where you can buy 1 or 2 or 3, or I'll lot these together. But I do generally okay with wallpaper border. I did ditch a bunch of wallpaper border a couple of months ago because it was just things I shouldn't have bought. They weren't moving. But certain patterns and certain themes sell really well most of the time. So I try to look out for those. Oh, a couple of personal things. Got myself a funnel and a Tupperware scoop. I love those. I love those. I just parted one of these out. It's a little bit different, but this is a Black & Decker little chopper. I may sell that one whole. And I paid $3 for that. I paid $1 for this Bob. $1 Bob. And it is an Oster glass blender jar with the blades. It's got the removable top. And I do okay with these two. I probably will get somewhere in the neighborhood of about 20 for that. Is that everything in that bag? Why, yes. Yes, it is. So I have bought this particular thing over and over and over. And usually I don't part it out into individual pieces. I just sell the lot as it is. And I do okay with it. But it is the attachments for a shark steamer, and I got this whole bag of attachments for $4. And like I said, I'll lot all this together and I'll sell it for somewhere in the neighborhood of 40-ish. I don't know if you know this, but most nativities sell pretty well. Like that willow tree nativity set that I bought. I made a fortune on that. And even cheap nativities will sell pretty well. Not too cheap. They've got to be at least a decent quality, but they can sell really well if you're into that kind of thing, which I'm not really into nativities, but I just know there's a market for them. And if you don't mind selling ceramic, because a lot of them are ceramic. I know I sold a Native American themed one, and it did pretty well. Which brings me to, this is a Fisher-Price Little People nativity set. I don't know if it's here. I don't know if it's all complete. I paid $4 for this, and I went ahead and got it because I know I would be able to part it out and make, you know, quite a bit of money. It's getting ready to storm here. Woo. Cat's in the box. And what if it's whole, I may sell it together. If it's not, I probably will part it. But again, $4 for that. Last 3 items, and I did pretty well on my last 3 items. I picked up a Presto Pizza Pizzazz. Paid $4, $5, $6 for this. This is brand new in the box, has never been used. It is open box, but I probably can get somewhere in the neighborhood of $40 for that. This I paid $9 for. I never heard of this brand. It's Sephora. This is a stainless steel it's a professional grade stainless steel chocolate fountain, and I paid $9 for this. And It looks like these do pretty well too, maybe somewhere in the neighborhood of 50 bucks for that. Pixie. And finally, the last thing I picked up today is, and I paid $5 for this, is this turkey fryer. And this is also sealed, new in the box. I opened it to make sure that it was new. But yes, it is new in the box. So I should do okay on that too. I don't know exactly because I don't know that brand. Not that I know like a lot of turkey fryer brands, but those are pretty expensive. Even the cheap ones are pretty expensive. So I'll do some research and get that listed. I may try to sell it locally. It's not the right time of year to sell it, to try and sell it locally, but because it's heavy. It's pretty heavy, but who knows? Who knows? Who knows? I keep saying who knows. The other day, I went through the drive-thru at McDonald's because I was leaving to go on vacation. And I said, I want a steak muffin meal with Diet Coke. And it comes up on the screen. And the lady starts going, steak? 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 I said, stop saying steak. I want a steak muffin meal with a Diet Coke. I don't know why that tickled me, but I don't know why she kept saying steak. Either steak, steak. I digress. All right, I'm going to try and get this stuff listed because I have now surrounded myself with hard goods. And you guys keep tuning in. I appreciate you being here. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe, comment. I love hearing from you. Remember that the dream works when you do, so keep dreaming and keep working, and I'll see you guys the next time.